Connecting your website to external tracking systems is crucial for gaining valuable insights into visitor behavior and optimizing marketing strategies. Let's explore the steps to configure the Awin module for optimal performance. After installing the Awin module, go to the Modules and Extensions tabs. Locate the Awin module and click Edit to access its settings. In the Settings section, toggle to enable the module. Enable Live Mode for live tracking requests. Enter the Advertiser ID received from Awin in the appropriate field. Click Update to save your configuration. Thank you for choosing the Awin module. Your website is now empowered with advanced tracking and analysis capabilities. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced insights to refine and optimize your marketing strategies.